Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add view product on Instagram post. So let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have already selected a picture to post and I want to add a view product on this one. So all I need to do is go to post and go to next. And here I can just add some effects if I want to, or some song I want to, and as I don't want to add any one of these, I'm heading over to next. And here if you are if your account is a professional account or a business account, then you might able to see an option of add a price tag here and add music. So this I'm telling you again, this is not available in every region. There are some certain places that has been availed for this, so you must be on that. So all you need to do is to make your account a business account and make sure of that, and most probably it will just allow you to get a price tag after that. And yeah, this is how you can just add view product on your Instagram post. That's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.